The war news continue to baffle the Nifty, and Nifty continues to fight and find the support. Has been the theme for us right now since couple of months. Good thing that we have to see today is that market, even though it went below the 24,200, but it has been trying to take a support and manage 24,000 overall, which is a good sign because despite of such news, is we are not able to break 24,000. Tells a lot of good things about the market. That the composition right now is shifting towards finding a base, and now we are in a range of 24 to 24,200. Unless we cross this range, we are going to be trying to time pass in between. So what we have to be watchful is that how do we take out 24 to 200, and how do we find the opportunities further. Now for what we see, currently the IVs have been normalized. Yesterday they were very elevated, and we did see a reaction, and then there's nothing that has happened since. And this is what I mentioned in my last night's video also. If we come down to see stocks, sectors overall, they're trying to hold on. They're not doing much. They're mostly all the sectors are red. Some other sectors are trying to find like telecom. Now in telecom, we have Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, if you remember, is a weekly pick. So it is trying to cross the weekly high for us to be able to initiate a trade on it. HCL Tech has a good open interest build up. MCX is trying to have a short covering rally. There is one stock which has caught the attention right now. If we see, Davis Lab has a good exponential volume, and the open interest change is 5.3 overall, and it is showing a long build up. So what interesting that I see in the charts of Divis Lab is that it is trying to, do a Bollinger Band breakout, and the ADX is also broken out. It's a good sign. Rally might continue if we hold on to it. So we have to watch this particular stock. This is not a trading advice. It's just for you to watch this particular stock. Uh, and as we go on to the open interest analysis, let's see what profile is in. So if you watch the profile right now, the range has been lowered further from what 24,200 we were talking about. Right now it is showing us 24,000. So we have to be watchful of the fact that when now our IVs have been normalized during the day and they are not elevated, and we also have the walls getting narrow by the hour. So we have to be watchful if there's any kind of a shift back rally that we see. So now if we see the wall migration, it has come down and we are entering into the very narrow range. Until and unless there is no point where both the open interest or call and put are in the same sync, that is POC, we might see a lower range. And then during the end of a day, if this particular range sustains and the IVs crash further below and they go into the depressed mode, then we might see a know rally. Rally which happens usually be called as a gamma rally. So we have to be watchful of that. And now if we go to the intraday stock just to see which is there any stock that has come up to our usually this stocks picks up more well, it's a bit late to pick up late in the sense that it takes into consideration a lot of factors, and it is not something that will pick up randomly any stock. So let's see if it has picked. Yes, so currently we have Davis Lab which has entered. LT is again a short build-up. It has fallen a lot. MCX is trying to rebound the short covering. Bank Nifty is surprisingly having a short build-up because the IT is trying to hold up the market. So this is a reason why Bank Nifty is under the pressure. So because the IT continues, we have to be watchful of that. So this is the update. We'll rather skip anything today specifically unless we see any narrow range towards the end of the day. But I will insist that you don't guys focus on the the gambling part. Let it be. We'll have a good day tomorrow. Maybe if the range gets narrower and the range is broken.